Hi, and welcome to Obiaks YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing why swimming is the perfect exercise for seniors. There are many reasons why swimming and water-based exercise may be the best choice for seniors. Water-based exercises are second only to walking in lowest rate of injuries. They are commonly used for physical therapy modes for those requiring for major surgery. Water also provides more options for those who are lacking in general fitness or have prior injury that makes land-based activities difficult. Finally, water-based activities work the entire body, serving as a form of both strength training even as an aerobic training takes place. Swimming utilizes nearly all major muscle groups simultaneously, imparting a total body workout. Because of the inherent resistance of the water, swimming develops both muscle strength and endurance, as well as helps flexibility. Because of its host of effects, swimming provides almost all the aerobic benefits of running events, as it yields many of the benefits of resistance training thrown in. Because swimming does not put the strain on connective tissues that running, aerobics, and some weight training regimens do, swimming is kind of low-impact workouts that is perfect for seniors seeking to regain or maintain their fitness. This is a sport especially gentle to those who are physically challenged. The buoyancy factor of water makes swimming the most injury-free exercises available, so it is especially interesting to seniors, especially those with a type of joint issue. In water, a person's body weight is reduced by 90% as compared to weight on land. For example, a 220-pound man will weigh about 22 pounds if he is standing on a chin-deep water. Exercises in water can also be done more often because of the low incidence of injuries, and it is more effective for exercising the entire body, as any movement in water is 12 times greater resistance than movement in air. For the elderly, water fitness is safe, feels the need for exercise, increases a body range of motion, and is low impact exercise. Thank you for watching the channel today, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!